Hey guys, today we're gonna do a quick unboxing, so let's get this started. Let's see what's inside. It's a box within a box. Not the greatest thing, but okay. Here's the box. So I'll show you around the box, because I know a lot of you want to see all the info that you guys get around the box. It's that. And on the back, let me just lay it down so you guys can see. Yeah, that's about it. That's all the information. I don't think there's anything down here. Nope. That's it, guys. Alright, so now let's unbox it. Alright, so inside we got our quick start guide. Alright, there's something in there as well. We got this. Alright, and then the good stuff. I gotta say, this feels way too light. It's a lot of plastic. It feels kind of cheap. I mean, this is gonna charge that guy. Just feels very, very light. A little bit too light. I don't know what to say about that. It just feels a little bit too light for something that's supposed to be good quality. Kind of weird. Anyways, that's the charger port. Okay, so that's that guy. Let's just set it on the side, I guess, because I don't even know how to place it back. Here we have. So obviously this will be hooked up to the charger port. Pretty standard. Yeah, pretty standard. You guys can get one of these easy if you guys lost it or something. What else is here? Oh, so down here, before opening this up, got these guys. You know, this is supposed to spin. It seems very, I don't know, it doesn't seem like it's gonna last that long. Doesn't seem like it, maybe it will, but it seems very light duty, very, very light duty. Alright, so let's set those there, like they were. Now let's check out this guy. Okay, so that's the bottom. That's the info you guys get down here below. Okay. To take this out, obviously you have to take this out. You guys can see a little bit more details on it. Turn it around. Looks like so. So it's not too heavy, it's not too light. It feels actually okay. Yeah, it actually feels better than what I thought it would. I thought it would be lighter, less quality, but this, the actual machine, feels pretty good. So heavy is usually a good thing because this is pretty small. It's not that big if you compare it to my hand. I guess I could compare it to an iPad maybe size. An iPad would be like around here-ish, a regular iPad. iPad mini would be up to here-ish. An iPhone size would be like this. So that's what I can give you as references, so you guys can see how big this actually is, but it's kind of hard to say. It's the bumper, which is pretty good. Yeah, this will be bumping into things, knowing where things are. Pretty simple. Okay, so that's where it collects all the dust, filter, pretty basic. Okay, so we can take out the filter pretty easy. in the whole box. Yeah. So that's how it looks like. Pretty simple. It's pretty neat though. Kind of hard to get this back in. There we go. So the wheels feel okay, not too cheap, not the greatest either. Here we have our power. So I'm guessing, since I do have this connection right here, that it doesn't have to always go back to the charger in order to charge by itself. You guys can probably charge it yourselves by hooking it up. I'm guessing. There's no other reason why I would see that there. Obviously this is to charge up. Anyways, that's it for this video, guys. A quick unboxing. I'll be doing a setup video, a review later on, and we'll see how this thing works. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can write them down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.